Hello, I welcome you to my channel. In this video I want to tell you about my garden. Spring is in full swing, fruit trees are blossoming and blooming. But a week ago suddenly hit the frost, and at night fell a fairly large snow. And although it melted the next day, the nights were still cold. So let's see what the garden looks like today. It's not too bad. The garden is blooming. Let's move on. This is the red currant, and then the black currant. Visually, it's not affected by the frost.
These are cherries. They're a little damaged. I wonder if there will be a good harvest this year.
And the dogs are in trouble. There will be no harvest.